Hey y'all, my name is Lauren and I just wanted to give you a quick honest review on the NYX Butter Gloss. So obviously, as you can tell, this is the lightest one I have. It's called Creme Brulee, and it looks like it's gonna be super light, but it's actually my favorite for everyday wear. I feel like it brings out a really pretty color on my lips, but it looks pretty natural, not over the top. So that's how it looks whenever it's just like first applied. But as it sits on my lips and like my lips warm up, I feel like it just like looks so good. Okay, next color is called Tiramisu. This is the second darkest color I have, and this one is, it's almost like a pinkish, but like pinkish brown. This one's also really nice for everyday wear. Really love this one. So that one's Tiramisu. And then the darkest shade I have, really you can wear any of these every day. It's just the lighter ones I feel like are a little more wearable for me personally. So this is the darkest one I have. It's called Praline, but it's so pretty. It's kind of like a brown color, and this one smells so good. I don't even know how to describe that, but so this one's also really pretty. Anyways, these are my favorite lip glosses, and that's coming from someone that really only ever wears chapstick, and I've hated every lip gloss I've tried. So these are amazing.